Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class organized by Shahid Cadet Academy Main Campus 2, Tura, Dhaka. And now today's online class will be on chapter 1 from ICT book. Chapter 1 from ICT book. Now, full form of ICT. First question, full form of ICT. And it will be Information and Communication Technology. Information and Communication Technology. Then full form of SMS. Very important short form. So you have to learn them. You have to learn these short forms. Full form of SMS, short message service. Short message service. Now full form of ATM. Full form of ATM, automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. Full form of RAM. Full form of RAM, random access memory. Random access memory. 5. Full form of CPU. Full form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Full form of ROM. Full form of ROM, read only memory. Read only memory. Full form of SIM. Full form of SIM, Subscriber Identification Module. Subscriber Identification Module, SIM. 8. Which country first launched or started 4G mobile? Which country first launched or started 4G mobile? Answer, first country, South Korea. South Korea first launched or started 4G mobile. 9. What is e-governance? What is e-governance? Answer, using of ICT. Using of ICT in the office is called e-governance. Answer, using of ICT in the office is called e-governance. 10. Which invention helped information transfer? Which invention helped information transfer to step into a new world? Which invention helped information transfer to step into a new world? The invention of telephone. Answer, the invention of telephone helped information transfer to step into a new world. 11. Which has connected the world into a global village? What has connected the world into a global village? Answer, Internet has connected the world into a global village. Answer will be Internet. Internet has connected the world into a global village. 12. Where is ATM card used? Where is ATM card used? ATM card is used in banking sector. In banking sector. 13. Why does a fisherman carry radio at river or sea? Why does a fisherman carry radio at river or sea? A fisherman carries radio at sea or river to listen to the weather report or weather forecast. To listen to the weather report or weather forecast. 14. What is telemedicine? What is telemedicine? Answer: to get Medicare treatment. To get Medicare over telephone. Using telephone is called telemedicine. To get Medicare over telephone is called telemedicine. 15. Paper was invented by the scientist of which country? By the scientist of which country? Paper was invented by the scientist of which country? It will be China. The scientist of China. The scientist of China invented paper. The scientist of China invented paper. 16. How many books are there in an e-book? How many books are there in an e-book? There are thousands of books. There are thousands. Answer: there are thousands of books in an e-book. There are thousands of books in an e-book. Dear students, there is another topic. There is another topic for this week. For this week or for the next exam that will be held on Friday, and the topic is history of Bangladesh Liberation War. Very important topic. History of Bangladesh Liberation War. Very important topic about Bangladesh affairs. GK about Bangladesh affairs. So you have to learn all short questions, all questions from this chapter, and you have to learn this chapter from Prism Guide. From Prism Guide. You have to learn from Prism Guide. Prism Guide. Page 'History of Bangladesh Liberation War from Bangladesh Affairs. From Bangladesh Affairs. You have to learn all the short questions from Prism Guide. From Prism Guide, page 220 to 226. Okay, dear students, thanks everybody for watching the video.